Alright, new video today. A little different from normal. Don't mind the noises, there's a TV on. As you can see, there is a little dent right here in this blade, my friend's Machete. I'm going to show you guys how I have repaired them before. You can see a chunk missing from a previous repair because it was just messed up. All you're going to need is a nice mallet, a block of wood, and some vice grips. Fairly simple. Use the vice grips to try and bend that back. Use the wooden block to set against that dent, which I will set back here. Use the hammer to hit that to try and flatten it out. I may skip the wood block and hit it directly, but I'll show you the process. Sorry about weird angles and stuff. I'm working with what I've got. Try and get the best shot I can, which probably isn't going to be too easy. You can't see a whole lot, but vice grips. Let's see. I need to open this up. Clamp down and bend. And I'll clamp a little further up. And tighten that again. These edges. And it's looking a lot straighter. As you can see, it's better than it was. If camera focuses, hold on. So there we go, you can see it's already a little straighter. And so now I will set it back there again and I will pound it down. Oh, and it's starting to rain. How nice. Life in Louisiana for you, and metal roof. Nice noises. I'll set you guys to view the window for now. Oh, no, because yeah, you can see that pretty good. Hold on. There we go. Now you get a nice view. Set this, place the wooden block, grab a mallet, and now we'll do it without that wooden block. And now, weird camera. It is better. It's a little straighter. This will not be my first repair. It isn't my first repair. Won't be my last repair because he just absolutely abuses this thing. Though it is a very nice Gerber machete, he will still abuse it. But that was just a quick little tutorial. Any questions, leave it in the comments. If you'd like to see more, again, leave it in the comments. Don't ask that you like or subscribe. Do so if you please.